Hey everyone, welcome back to Aaron Juggling Z, where every toss tells a tale. Today, we're diving into the unpredictable, gravity-defying world of juggling odd numbers. Spoiler alert, I set some personal records and almost made friends with a dive-bombing bird. Because why wouldn't I have a feathery cheerleader with a flair for the dramatic? I kicked things off with my signature warm-up routine, swinging my arms around like I'm hailing an invisible taxi, and shrugging like someone just told me they don't like pizza. Naturally, this led to a relaxed 3-club juggle. I gotta say, nothing like a classic warm-up to remind you that juggling isn't always a metaphorical balancing act. Sometimes it's a literal one. Next up, the 5-5-5-0-0 pattern. It's like juggling 3 clubs, but at the height of 5 clubs with those extra spins. Because apparently, I like making my life harder. "33 throws and a personal record," I was pretty sure I unlocked a new level of smugness right before realizing that no one else in the room cared. Moving on to 5-5-5-5-0, 4 clubs at 5 height. Think of it as the tongue twister of juggling. My record? 7 throws before Gravity and I had a heated disagreement. It's fine though, I think of it as character building, or maybe just exercise. While prepping for 5 club juggling, a bird decided to fly directly in front of my chest. It wasn't my finest juggling moment, but at least I wasn't actively tossing clubs when it happened. I know it's territorial behavior, but part of me thinks this bird might be my spirit animal, equal parts chaotic and lucky. My 5 club goal? 10 throws. I've done it before, but it takes about 60 extra attempts on top of all the other exercises you see here. So basically, this part of the practice is like being in a one-sided relationship with success. I keep trying, it keeps ghosting me. Time to change camera angles for my 7 club progression. Because when you fail as much as I do, you need every possible viewpoint for analysis. I started with 7700700, essentially 3 clubs, but at 7 club height. 92 throws later, I set a personal record. Sure, I was aiming for 100, but I'll take what I can get and pretend the finger gun salute wasn't over the top. Once a pattern hits 100 throws, I declare mastery and move on. Until then, it's about flashing it, adding 1 throw, and repeating until I question my life choices. That's juggling, part skill, part existential crisis. Next was 7770000, 3 throws at 7 club height, then waiting for them to return. I could practically check my watch during the wait. I considered using this time to ponder the meaning of life, but instead, I just focused on not looking too smug when I caught them. 7777000 was next, followed by my feeble attempts at 7777700. Every successful throw ended with a bear hug to catch all the clubs. I call this a visualization exercise, which is a fancy way of saying I failed but was still effective. Practices like this might not look pretty, but they're progress in disguise. Even when I'm catching more air than clubs, I feel the rhythm improving. Progress isn't always about perfect execution. Sometimes it's about the art of almost. And that's it for today's adventure. Every toss truly tells a tale, whether it's triumph, humility, or a territorial bird. Thanks for joining me on this journey of odd number chaos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and juggle your way back here next time. Until next time, keep those throws high and your expectations realistically low.